Maintenance introduction. When cleaning the machine, try not to damage important marks such as model, serial number, monitor model or serial number, probe serial number, and date of manufacture. 2. Regular check of the machine is required. The specific methods are as follows. Daily checklist. 1. After each use, dip a soft cloth in water to thoroughly wipe the gel off the probe. 2. Check whether the probe and cable are broken or edged. If so, discontinue use. 3. Clean used probes. If the probe or cable is damaged, stop using immediately. Otherwise, there is a danger of electric shock. Weekly checklist. 1. Check probe for damage. 2. Check power line for breakage or damage. 3. Disinfect used probe. 4. Turn off the power to the device, unplug it, and clean. The system should be electrified every 3 months if the equipment is not used for a long period of time.